During the harvesting seasons 1980s in China, my grandma and mom had tried their best to arrange delicious food for us. One of our favorites was chicken rice. Grandma and mom had always prepared 2 hens from our own small chicken farm to make this kind of rice. When they had to choose, they were always in doubt, as they wouldn't want to kill any of them, since they could get eggs from them every second day. Anyway, they used those hens to make soup first. The soup was kept on the side. They used the meat and bones to cook with rice and other different vegetables, such as white radishes, carrots, and other vegetables that they could get from Grandpa's small garden. One day, a boy of the neighbor with 9 kids came home together with my brother. They played until we would eat the dinner in our front yard. He saw the chicken rice in a bowl on the table, and he just stood there, looked at us. My grandma said, "You should go home now." The boy acted as he didn't hear that. We knew why, but we couldn't say anything to him. First, we didn't have so much food. Secondly, we wouldn't want more things happened afterwards, since his mom would get angry once he found out that we gave food to her kids. My grandpa could not help saying to him, "You can get some, but you shouldn't tell your mom about it." The boy nodded. He got a small bowl of the chicken rice as my brother did, and he also got beaten from his mom, since he thought that he got our food as a beggar. That was exactly what Grandma was worried about, as we had experienced previously. The next morning, the boy's mom went to my grandma, said that she would not have the boy anymore if we would give any food to him again. My poor grandpa didn't get any food for lunch that day, since Grandma was very furious about what he did. Grandpa didn't say anything and went to the farm field quietly when we had lunch. Mom asked my sister bring some scallion pancakes for him. At the same time, the neighbor's oldest boy was also at the field nearby. Grandpa shared one of the 3 pancakes with that boy, and asked my sister to keep it secretly for my grandma. Afterwards, my sister told Mom what happened. She just said, "Forget it." When thinking back, it was a harsh time. But with acts like this, I only remember the good things.